Decontamination
Oh,
in
she only got 2
progress.
fingers. Oh, she's got 2 fingers in her thumb. Just like Garrus. Ooh, I didn't know that. I should have a look and see what
Logged. The commanding officer is aboard. Exo Presley stands relieved.
I should have a look at Rex and Liara and see what the Asari and the Krogan are like. Interesting. I'm so easily distracted. Caden's gonna have 4 fingers because he's human, apparently. Liara, you have 4 fingers, right? 4 fingers. Which would make sense if she uses human armor. It makes sense for her to be human shaped in basically every way, apart from the weird hair tentacle things. Hopefully you understand what I meant by that. Rex. So we're going to spy on Rex's hand. Oh, he's standing with his arms crossed. Boo! Right. Well, that's what I'm going to do. I'll see if he has better heavy armor that I can use, because Ashley might be using my hand-me-downs. Yes.
Let's see what you've got.
You bet, Commander.
Do you have heavy armor? You have heavy armor that's worse than what I currently have. You are terrible at this kind of thing. Yeah, I mean, because most things... I mean, now I've got the HMWA. It's just... I have so much more than you'd use. Mine's so much better than what he can offer that I'm very unsure of actually buying things. Now I've already looked at you. Well, that's what he's already got. That's not worth it in my view. No, I mean it gives a bonus to power, but yeah, that worse. Garrus. Yeah, we upgraded that, so yeah, I don't think we're actually gonna be I don't think there's a huge amount of changes to what's going on here. Oh, I can't see how many fingers he has. No improvement, no real improvement. Oh, that's what he's already got. That's worse. Tally. Wow. Your shotgun's quite good. You should probably use it more. I should probably use my shotgun more. No, I don't really like that. Switching down like that. Oh yes, that's what you switched from. Oh, and Liara. Liara's last. No. Ooh, maybe. I think I may have switched from... No, I wouldn't have switched for lower damage. We'll do that. No. There's probably people watching this going, no, yes, you should switch for that. Right. So, we've done all our setting up and shopping and the like. So, let's think, we'll get up to the command deck and we'll think about where we're headed next. Right. Oh, right. Through we go. So we'll have a look. What is it? The L button? No, it's the J button. So we have Vermeer, and we have these biotics in the Hades Gamma cluster in the Cacus system. I think we'll head there because that's the top one. Got a few other bits and pieces, but yeah, not going to go out of our way to find that. So what's that? The Cacus system, Hades Gamma. That's the plan. So we'll head there. Depending how quickly we do this, we might also head to the asteroid. We'll say we heard about it on something. Hades Gamma. That's the Cacus. Antaeus. Plutus. Farinata. Cacus. I should have saved because it might crash the game. It has done that before. Leaving the Citadel sometimes crashes. That woof was meant to be a whoosh, by the way. I'm not entirely awake. Right. Oh, that's where it is, the Chohi planet. So we'll go through the other ones as we normally do. Triarmus. Triarmus is a hydrogen-helium gas giant with a powerful magnetic field, making it a popular discharge site for freighters working the Anansi Ishtar shipping route. It's popular enough, in fact, that Quarian ships can often be found loitering in orbit, selling the freighter crews cheap refreshments, salvage, and odd craftworks assembled by their children. There are no ships in orbit at present, however. Oh, could meet more Quarians. Farangor. A large but low-density terrestrial world, Farangor is generally believed to consist mainly of water ice. Occasional upwelling of metals, caused by the interacting tidal forces of several large moons, suggests the core is small, but extremely dense. Farangor has a thin atmosphere of carbon dioxide and ethane. Its frozen surface is mainly composed of dark, carbon-laced water ice. 10 years ago, Farangor's grim surface colour and dim illumination drew the cinematographer Risa Uvasan to film the exterior scenes of Starless on location. Acknowledged as a masterpiece of gothic horror, the sets, well preserved by the vacuum, draw hundreds of tourists to this backwater system every year. Survey. Scans of this planet reveal several small deposits of polonium. Xamari is a small airless cratered terrestrial, a lifeless rock quite similar to Luna. Its frozen surface is mainly composed of silicates, though one hemisphere has several seas of dark basaltic rock. Chohi, that's where we're going to be landing. So then there's Zeata. An enigmatic terrestrial planet, Zeata has a hazy atmosphere of nitrogen and argon. The surface is scorching hot and mainly composed of calcium with deposits of sodium. 3 times in the last century, ships stopping to discharge at Triarmus have reported geometric patterns of light on the dark side of Zeata. Attempts at closer investigation proved fruitless. The lights disappear when ships approach the inner system. Survey. Scans of this planet have revealed a large deposit of mercury. Anything in the asteroid belt before we go to Chohi? It's worth a search, I suppose. No, it doesn't seem to be anything. Okay, Chohi. Chohi is a terrestrial planet whose surface is mainly composed of aluminium, with numerous deposits of calcium. Though it has enough mass to retain a dense atmosphere, Chohi is nearly a vacuum. This lack of atmosphere allows a moderate average temperature, but the differences between day and night are extreme. The surface of Chohi's sunward-facing side is usually covered by a haze of volatiles, mainly water vapour and carbon dioxide, which return to the ground as frost over the course of the long, cold night. The Sirta Foundation has established a research outpost on Chohi to investigate the native subterranean life of Chohi, which shows incredible resilience to extremes of hot and cold. The extremes of heat and cold. And that's what's being attacked by the biotics, by the sounds of it.